Hey there, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Easy Kabob. The Easy Kabob has three parts: the tube, piston, and the circular skewer head, which comes standard with the Easy Kabob. Three extra heads for different shaped kebabs are sold separately. Before we start, here are some important tips for making your kebabs. Make sure the meat is refrigerator cold. It can't be room temperature. Do not use meat that is too fatty, especially for the 1-inch skewer head, because it will not hold together. Lean meat would work best and will absorb more moist ingredients. While this is not mandatory, if you want to make the device extra smooth for easier pressing, then you can grease the tube using a sprayer or just oil. Make sure to apply oil in the head and in the tube. If you use regular oil, make sure you spread it evenly. Do not add big quantities of wet ingredients into the meat mix because it will make the meat soggy and it'll fall apart on the stick. Do not use ground chicken thighs since they're too oily to hold together. Ground chicken breast will stick. Do not stuff the meat into the tube straight from the packaging because it's likely to crumble. Make sure you knead it for at least 30 seconds or until the texture is uniform. Now we're ready to make kebabs. Roll and stuff the meat into the tube. Press until the meat reaches the tip. Insert the skewer from the back and press, and a kebab is done. For steel skewers which have a curve in the back, you can insert the skewer from the front side and press to make a kebab. Sold separately are three replacement heads used to make flat skewer kebabs and a sausage stuffer. One head is to make kebabs using a half-inch skewer and the other head for a 1-inch skewer. The process is the same. Insert the flat skewer and press to make that perfect kebab. To reload, detach the head part and empty the leftover meat from the tube. This is necessary to prevent air pockets in the tube. Stuff the tube with meat and press until the meat emerges from the tip. Attach the head, and you're ready to go. While you're here, don't forget to check out our recipe section for more ideas on what to make with your Easy Kebab. We also have seasonings, skewers, and other accessories available for you. And there you have it. Easy to use, easy to clean, and even the kids will have fun helping you make dinner. And you can always feel free to contact us with any questions or concerns that you may have. We hope this video was helpful for you, and we thank you for visiting and hope to see you again soon. Have fun and take care now.